how to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or iPhone. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen and select Link Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Simply tap the device that you'd like to remove. For example, if you see your Windows PC or another device listed, tap on it. Then tap Log Out to disconnect your WhatsApp account from that device. That's it. You've successfully removed your WhatsApp account from the selected device. If you ever notice an unfamiliar device in this list, it's a good idea to log it out immediately to help keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.